Thus, the search for the next big Made in India brings TechXpedite to Hyderabad, where the city of Nizams holds the key to becoming India's rising startup sultanate.
Hello and welcome back. You're joining Uma Sudhir 1600 kilometers from New Delhi in high-tech city Hyderabad, where TechXpedite has come to say, hello Hyderabad.
The search for startups with a vision to contribute to digital India's growth and our society's betterment continues in the city of Nizams, with an entire evening of knowledge transfer, experience sharing, support system enabling.
An old African proverb says you need an entire village to raise a child. So also for the startups, you need an ecosystem to rear the newbies. TechXpedite brings you that platform where I converse with policy makers as also industry leaders who will bring you some important perspectives. Also, don't miss out on the Startup Story segment where you get interesting insights and learnings as well.
Trying to solve is that problem for the next set of startups where you don't have to worry while you're building products. Can there be a co-pilot, of course, with human intervention that can help you get your first set of 10 customers, first set of 100 followers using AI?
When you talk of AI, right? How do you integrate or continue to stay relevant, but at the same time, bring in new technology to make the game more immersive?
We know how agencies as a model work. Let's say we're going to put you 4 blog posts, 5 social media posts a week, kind of thing. That doesn't work anymore. So after the AI and the personalization has come, you have unlimited number of posts that you can personalize to your cohorts that you can get it done.
So we knew in order to do something like that and to attract a vast audience, we had to personalize it, not at a product level, but at a user to user level. That's why we deployed algorithms which automatically tune the difficulty levels, the kind of challenges they get, how quickly they unlock things inside the game. And as we were tuning it more and more, as we started getting more data, we were able to tune it even faster.
So in the previous panel, we had folks talking about skilling, upskilling, reskilling. How do you yourself instill that reskilling and upskilling within your teams? And how do you kind of stay ahead of the needs that your customers probably could have?
It's not about the technology. See, technology is just a tool. It can be AI, it can be other things. It's about how deeply do you understand the problem that you're trying to solve for a customer. Ultimately, there's a customer there. I would always tell the team, focus more on going so deep into the problem in the customer's context. When we go and show or when we go and tell the customer, his jaw should drop.
TechXpedite standpoint to support early stage ventures, how do you see or where do you see role of accelerators and ecosystem builders kind of coming in?
When we are in this journey of building the 0 to 1 phase of companies, right? There are too many unknowns. We don't know what we don't know until we know it. And every day when we wake up, there's a new challenge, right? So that is the place where an accelerator kind of thing can really help to give that air cover and try to help us in trying to figure out those unknowns and be prepared.
There's a reason why ecosystems are so important. Startups across the globe, if you see, they end up feeling like they're there in clusters, right? This is not a coincidence. It's because ecosystem falls, and as more people come into the ecosystem, it just gets easier for everybody to build on top of that.
Find a niche and solve a mission critical problem for a customer. We always try to capture value before creating value. So please create value, quantifiably show the ROI, and then try to capture the value.
Venture building is always a journey. It's not a story, because story means there's an end to it.
Our takeaway from Hyderabad, while AI drives innovation, you require an entire ecosystem to drive its growth. TechXpedite will continue its journey across the country with its accelerator program in order to enable India on that road, on that path towards a $1 trillion digital economy. Thanks so much for watching.